Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. We are here today at my work. I work at a skincare clinic and I wear many hats. What that means is I have many responsibilities here. Today I am an aesthetician, also known as a facialist. Today's vocabulary that I will be introducing will be a mixture of beginner and intermediate. I'm standing in front of our retail shelf where I make recommendations to my clients and they have various skin concerns. Step 1 is cleanser. This brand that we carry is a French brand and their cleansers are mostly milky cleansers. And I personally really love milky cleansers because it nourishes the skin while cleansing. Step 2 will usually entail a toner. But as you'll see, they call it a lotion. I think we should call it a toner. The purpose of a toner helps to exfoliate the skin by using different types of acids. It also will infuse additional nutrients. Step 3, you will do twice a week. We call this a mask. Mask, step 3. There's also a variety of masks, and this helps to bring more clarity to the skin, so making the skin brighter, in addition to decongesting, meaning clearing out pores. And everyone could use some pore cleansing. My personal favorite is what's called Masque Visolastine. It's a French word and it helps with hydration. The next step of the regimen would be serums. I highly recommend, it's called Remed Serums. I would like to show you how beautiful this green box is. Who else's favorite color is green? If you haven't noticed, we have a lot of marble in our office. We have marble here, marble. We have marble here. Apparently this marble came from Greece. How cool. And we have marble here. Very cool. So much marble. The last step is to add cream to your regimen, which looks like this. I would like to show you how our clients would ask the receptionist for specific products, and this is going to be spoken in normal speed. It's cold outside.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, doing well. How are you?
Good. Welcome to the spa.
Thank you. I need to refill on some products, and I was wondering if you had some serums and creams in stock.
Great. We actually do. These are our creams. What is your concern for your skin?
Well, thanks for asking.
Of course.
I'm a little bit confused on what I should use on my skin. I have very dry skin.
I'm going to recommend to you Creme Dermo.
Okay. How much does that cost?
That one's going to be around $50.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'll purchase this one.
Okay.
And then I was wondering if you could tell me the price for one of the Remed products.
Yeah, so which one were you?
Whichever one you think is best for my skin.
Okay, well, I'm going to recommend the Renewal Serum for you for hydration.
Okay. How much is that serum?
So the Renewal Serum is going to be $185, and with tax, it'll be $202.25.
Wow, that's expensive. But do you think it's worth it?
I think it is worth it, 100%.
Okay, great. May I have a bag, please?
Sure, I'll bag it up for you right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it to be useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am very new to YouTube, so all of your support would be really appreciated. I myself am learning various languages, and I hope that I can teach you because that's also one of my passions. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to creating more content for you later. Bye.
It's a wrap.
Woohoo!
Oh, great.